Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Moringa hair mask. Moringa is truly a powerhouse for your hair, packed with over 90 essential nutrients and 46 antioxidants. This incredible plant helps to strengthen your hair follicles, which can significantly reduce breakage and encourage healthy growth. Plus, a Moringa mask deeply conditions, leaving your hair feeling wonderfully soft, shiny, and much more manageable. It's also fantastic for soothing a dry or irritated scalp, providing much-needed relief. Now, let's gather everything you'll need for this amazing hair treatment. You'll want to start with 2 level tablespoons of high-quality Moringa powder. Next, grab 1 tablespoon of your favorite carrier oil. Coconut oil or olive oil work beautifully. For an extra boost, add about 5 to 10 drops of an essential oil like rosemary or lavender. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of clean water ready to help create the perfect mask consistency. Preparing your Moringa hair mask is super simple. First, in a small mixing bowl, combine the 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder with your 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Stir these together until they are well blended. Then, gradually add the 2 tablespoons of water, mixing continuously until you achieve a smooth, lump-free paste. Finally, stir in your 5 to 10 drops of essential oil, making sure it's evenly distributed. The goal is a spreadable, non-drippy texture. Once your mask is ready, it's time for application. Start by applying the mask to damp hair, ensuring you cover both your roots and the ends for complete nourishment. Take about 5 minutes to gently massage the mask into your scalp. This helps stimulate circulation. Let the mask work its magic for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the nutrients to deeply penetrate. Finish by rinsing your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all the mask residue is completely gone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.